Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and today I'm going to show you a fun little project with paintable caulk and a canvas and some unicorn spit paint. So you can see here I have two canvases and I am using a gray unicorn spit paint, and all I'm doing is I'm covering the entire canvas with this matte gray paint on it. So it's going to be really the base of this project. And once those are good and dry, I printed out these two pumpkin outlines. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these outlines. So you see I have paintable caulk. All I'm doing is I'm outlining the pumpkins. So then once the pumpkins are outlined, I'm going to take that piece of paper and I'm going to turn it over and put it on the canvas. And I'm going to press down to make sure all that caulk really adheres to the canvas. And there you go, I have a pumpkin. And because it's paintable caulk, you'll see I'm gonna go in and paint that and really create like a textured picture that really pops. Even though I am still using unicorn spit, this is a glitter product of their paint slash stain. And you can see I'm using orange and green to kind of mimic, pumpkin colors. And so once I've got the paint on there and once it's dry, then you need to cover it somehow. I am going to use a glaze coat. It's kind of like a shellac product. It goes on super thick, but it makes that glitter paint really pop. And I thought it would just add a nice different touch to this fun little project. And here's what they look like when they're hanging. They're really hard to photograph because it's almost like photographing a mirror because it's so shiny. But overall, I love the way they look. I love how the glaze just makes the glitter pop. And I think they're gonna be a great addition to our fall decorations. And don't forget that you can download the outlines on my website. And hopefully this will help give you some inspiration on how to add some pretty fall artwork to your home.